Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 game stuttering or FPS drop in your Windows 11. So how you can fix it? Very simple. You first have to open your settings. Into the settings, first you have to move for system. Here it is, system. And then we're going to move for to display. Into the display, we're going to look for graphics. Here is graphics. Into the graphics, just simply turn it on. I don't have any dedicated GPU. That's why it's not showing this kind of menu. But if you just getting this menu, then you can just simply turn it on. Then you can simply go for back, and here you're going to find out gaming. Click on that. Into the gaming, open the game mode, and here just simply turn it on game mode over here. Okay, so now that's it. Now we're going to update your graphics driver from your GPU manufacturer's official website. So after doing all of them, just simply restart your PC and it will going to solve your problem. So yeah, this is how you can simply fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.